Hello everyone, thank you so much for hopping into my channel. This is me, CCT Aishwarya Darbha. I am from Pune and this is my Zentangle art. So if you are here for the first time, I would like to explain to you that Zentangle art is a beautiful meditative art form taught and founded by Maria Thomas and Rick Roberts. So 7.5 years before, I came in touch with this art form, and it drastically and dramatically changed my life. So since then, I'm so hooked into the art, and I've been learning so much into the art form and also enjoying the meditative aspect of it. So more details about this art, how it has helped me, and if you want to see like what I'm teaching and what I'm offering to as courses and classes, you can find it on my website tangleandinspire.com, and you can even visit my blog tangleandinspire.com/blog, and you can see this tangle pattern how I have drawn, and you can even see some more inspirations there, like what I created like from this art form. And this is very easy to go tangle, so definitely you will enjoy it, and you can save the pictures on your Pinterest board or anywhere you want to from my blog. So do visit and also keep me company here. So as you see that I have drawn this tangle pattern. It's a kind of a grid form, but a very free form. It can just fit in anywhere, and I'm using Micron 01 pen. That's my favorite pen, as you guys are like a bit aware of it. So this is my regular pen. I'll be using a paper. It's a hard Zentile. So this is the kind of paper that is available on my shop at zenbazaar.in. So you can order. If you're in India, you can definitely order from there. And I just love this paper so much because of its like very not too smooth and not too grainy texture. It's perfect for the pencil and the pen to sit and create the art. And so once this Hayastone tangle is drawn, I am going into the details of poke leaf. And poke leaf is my quite a favorite tangle. In fact, poke root is my favorite tangle. Poke leaf is my second favorite tangle. So but here, since I always keep drawing poke root, I thought let me give a try to poke leaf, and I loved it because it just nestles anywhere. And I love something, like dropping out of small frames or something. If you've seen me creating art, I often do these fun stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching till here, and don't leave me. I'll be completing the tile. I'll show the shading part of it, and I'm hoping that my hand is not coming in the way. So as I said, I'll be correcting my ways. This is like I feel comfortable when I'm sitting on a chair and a table and drawing, and the shooting video is right on my top. So this kind of setting I probably don't get when I'm traveling, when I'm at my parents' home or somewhere. But I'll try my best to get this kind of setting wherever I go, at least from next time onwards. And till then, just enjoy this art form, and I hope you love creating this set. I'll be posting in the description box. I'll be posting a link to my Pinterest board. So if you're following this art form, please do post your completed artwork or your progressive artworks on the Pinterest board. Let everybody see your artwork, and I'll be commenting, and I'll also be very happy to see it. So do post it there. So I know that you're following my channel and you enjoy it. Do let me know if you are happy with this kind of form and format, and what would you like to learn more. So you can even give me any feedback or anything. Please don't worry, you can just put it on the comment. I do read each and every comment, and I tried my best to reply also. So have fun, and we'll be seeing again tomorrow once again for another new lesson. Take care. Bye bye.